Hey guys, this video is for those people trying to figure out how to know when Fidelity pays dividends. So you come to fidelity.com and then you come here to news and research, and then you click here on stocks, ETFs, and crypto. Now here, I want you to look for your ticker symbol, your security that you want to check the dividends for. So I'll come here under stocks. Let's say, for example, we'll do NVIDIA, right? I'll click on NVIDIA right here, and we'll click here on research, okay, after we click on NVIDIA. So let's go to the research section for NVIDIA, and let's check this one out. So this is the dashboard. And then here on the left-hand panel, you'll see all the information, the detailed quotes. You'll see the current dividend rate and the date. So this one will be on December the 4th, 2025. That'll be the next date for the dividend. So basically, the dividend schedule is set by the company or the fund you own, not by Fidelity. So you need to look up the ex-dividend rates, okay, and payment date for your specific investments because it is investment specific. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.